Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing high-quality audio and the right model. Record or source 2 to 10 hours of clear speech with consistent mic setup. Once done, trim silence and normalize levels. Next, align transcripts to audio and build a pronunciation lexicon so models learn mapping. Choose a model type, Neural TTS for expressive voice or concatenative for short turnaround, and set sample rate to 44. 1 kHz. Make sure to split data for training, validation, and test so you can measure progress accurately. You now train and fine-tune. Begin with a pre-trained checkpoint if you have less than 10 hours. This speeds convergence and preserves prosody. Configure batch size and learning rate, then run training in stages. Initial MEL spectrogram prediction, then vocoder training. Use augmentation sparingly, noise or pitch shift to increase robustness. Regularly listen to validation outputs and check phoneme level loss. Once MEL outputs are stable, focus on vocoder quality. If synthesis sounds muffled, adjust model capacity or increase decoder steps. You finish by exporting and evaluating the voice. Convert artifacts to a runtime format like ONGS or Torch script, then integrate the vocoder and front end into your synthesis pipeline. Run /B tests and mean opinion score evaluations with at least 20 listeners to validate naturalness and intelligibility. If output has alignment glitches, revisit forced alignment annotations. If prosody is flat, add expressive training samples or phoneme level durations. One quick troubleshooting tip: retrain for a few hundred more steps after fixing labels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.